All right, this is example number 5. This is a 1/4 turn skeleton. And when you have a 1/4 turn skeleton, you're generally looking for +2 or +3 if there's no +2. +3 and +1 is quite unlikely. And basically it requires you to already have VR and to be lucky with DR2s. This is a DR on RL, so yeah. So let's just go to the end of the skeleton. And okay, we got this. The slice can be solved with U2F2, which is plus in my notation. So plus. And D2 as the last non-RL move is a U2 in my convention, is a plus in my convention. So this is plus, plus, minus, 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 minus. But the pipe, here we definitely need to care about the position of the R2s because there's obviously no VR in +0. And you can check whether there is a VR in +1, which the only possible slices, possible VRs in +1 are this and this, and none of these adds up to +1. So we only have VR in +2. There's this VR in +2, which is it's +2 because here's +1, here's +1. And other than that, we're gonna have to look for inserting a single slice in +2. But the other one will have to be this one. So it has to be something like this. Because minus minus is plus. It's not multiplication, it's an addition. All right, so let's just go to this one. And let's just agree that we do M prime, just for simplicity. And we get U. So, okay. So let's see if there's any place where I can insert that. So not here. And not here, and B2, 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 B2. I mean, yeah, there, but that's a +3. So instead, we go to the other VR. So okay, this is +3. So from here, instead, what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert M, D2, B2, and let's insert M prime, B2, B2, R2, F2, R2. Wait. I don't think I did the L move. Did I do the L move? Yeah, yeah, I don't think I did the L move. Yeah, so basically I think that's supposed to be like this. D2, B2. No, hold up, let me just get another cube. Just get another cube? No, 3x3, there we go. Rambling while cubing is hard. Alright, so B2 L wide, D2 B2, insert M prime here, D2 B2 R2 F2 R2 D2. Okay, so we get G plus. So let's just check. So D2, this is good. This is actually F, R2 F2. This is U. So actually the solution is just inserting, just basically doing this, which you could have seen. So the final solution is B2 L wide, D2 B2, here it's an M prime, which is L wide prime L, D2 B2, RY2, F2, RY2, D2, and let's just do this. So just check. So let's do the solution. And it is correct. One thing I'll mention is that there also happens to be a blocky fish at the end. There's R2, F2, R2, D2 with the DR axis on RL. So this is actually a blocky fish sequence. So you can actually obtain another skeleton. I checked there are no VRs in +0, +1 for that either. And what happens is that when you blocky fish something, it's as if you were picking the F2, D2. And what happens if there's two pickings that overlap is that where they overlap kind of cancels out and you end up not picking that one, basically. It's kind of weird. But basically, it's as if... So basically, if you had considered something like this, but you also did the blocky fish, it's as if you picked this plus and these... well, this minus, I guess. Obviously, that's not a VR, but yeah.